Meghalaya is a hilly state in the northeastern regions of India. The name Meghalaya means the abode of clouds in Sanskrit. The state is a homeland to many tribes. The capital of Meghalaya, Shillong, is known as the Scotland of East. So, dear children, let us unfold some of the prominent festivals of Meghalaya. SGP 7, the text. Wangala, or the 100 Drum Festival, is the most important festival celebrated by the Garos in the villages of Meghalaya. The festival is named so because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. This harvest festival is celebrated in November to mark the end of hard work, which naturally brings a good harvest. The celebration features beating of drums, blowing horns, and traditional dancing. The dance during the festivals has two parallel lines, one of men and the other of women, clad in their festive costumes. While the men beat the drums, the line moves forward together in a rhythmic manner. Notes and Glossary. SGP 7. Costume, style of dress or garments. Rhythmic, having regular pattern of sound and manner. Summary. SGP 7. The Garo tribe of Meghalaya celebrate a festival called Wangala, which is one of the major festivals of Meghalaya. During the celebration of the festival, 100 drums are beaten together. Children, it is the festival of harvest and celebrated in November. The Garo men and women celebrate the festival by beating drums, blowing horns. They do traditional dancing into parallel lines, one of men and the other of women. They wear traditional dresses. The men lead the group beating the drums. The dance follows a regular dancing pattern. Now, children, answer these questions. Which festival is also known as the 100 Drums Festival? Which tribe celebrates Wangala? Where is Wangala celebrated? Wangala is a harvest festival. What does it mark? Describe the dance performed during Wangala. Now, the answers to these questions are as follows. Wangala is also known as the 100 Drums Festival. The Garo tribe celebrates Wangala. Wangala is celebrated in the Garo villages of Meghalaya. It marks the end of hard work, which brings a good harvest. The dance during Wangala festival has two parallel lines, that of men and women. While men beat the drums, the line moves forward in a rhythmic manner. Thank you.